Hi, Joanna Hodorowska, Nutrition in Motion, nutrition for body, mind, spirit, and sport. The anti-inflammatory diet seems really like it's something hard to do, but honestly, I make it a lot easier for people to incorporate the anti-inflammatory diet because we do one thing at a time. And when I talk about one thing at a time, we're going through a process of one, you have to identify what's contributing to the inflammation. Which food is it? Is it wheat? Is it sugar? Is it hydrogenated fats? Is it tomatoes? Is it acidic foods? Is it artificial colors or artificial sweeteners? You know, there are various things that are the top 5 or 6, which I just mentioned, of the inflammatory foods. So it's about taking those foods out, but also finding replacements for those foods. So if you're eating sugar, you can replace it with honey and with maple syrup. Some people can't do that because it spikes the blood sugar. So sometimes, you know, adding stevia or erythritol is the answer. So working with me, I help you find the options to make it easy. It's not about making it difficult for you, because if it's difficult, you're not going to do it. But if you notice the difference between how you feel and the food, and you notice that tomatoes are making your knees hurt or your hips hurt, then it's going to be a lot easier to not eat the tomatoes because you don't want the pain. It's really all about helping you make the connection between the food and the way that you feel. If you want to feel amazing morning, noon, and night, and feel amazing during your activities, and not wake up with stiff joints and it takes you 20 minutes to just kind of get moving in the morning, this is all signs of inflammation. So my job is not to make it difficult for you. My job is actually to give you a better roadmap for the anti-inflammatory diet so that you can feel amazing now. And if you've had pain for 8 months, for 8 years, it's still time to start the anti-inflammatory diet, and I just give you the means to implement it a lot easier than it would be doing it on your own. I've done the research, I've done the practice and playing with the foods, and if I can make my totally degenerated hip completely pain-free going into surgery 5 years ago, then I think I can do the same thing for you and make the pain go away. Make the joints not tell you what the weather is. Make the inflammation basically go away so that you can have a better quality of life. Because it's not just about living longer, it's about living a better quality of life and feeling amazing today, tomorrow, and beyond. So if you want to have some help with a better roadmap and knowing a specific plan on what's going to work for you to implement that anti-inflammatory diet, it is time to give me a call. Joanna Hodorowska. Go to www.nutritioninmotion.net and then click on that tab for the 15-minute chat, and we can talk about what your situation is and what is the best way to get started. So again, it's Joanna Hodorowska, Nutrition in Motion, nutrition for body, mind, spirit, and sport, to help you feel amazing today, tomorrow, and beyond.